It's entirely possible to envision a future in which the technology you've seen today will be adapted for use in our businesses, in our hospitals, in our automobiles, and even in our homes.
What we've discovered in pursuing this research and development is that we can think differently. We can try to solve our problems thinking more about how to solve a problem without constraints than trying to fit the problem into an existing solution.
Having a configurable logic solver based on nano microelectromechanical relays, it is going to be a game changer. This idea was new. So we introduced this idea, but the procedures are already out there. So it makes our idea very easy to push through mass production. In terms of nano and microelectromechanical relays, we are at initial stages of pushing this through commercialization. Nobody has done this thing before. So imagine an integrated circuit that comes to you. You'll be able to configure this to perform any control action. Particularly for the safety critical applications, people should be interested in a reconfigurable system for their needs that is based on physical electromechanical relays, no software.
There is a similar type of excitement in these companies about what they see as the promise of Simple and their own product lines. When we think of backup systems, which have to be highly safety critical but bulletproof, Simple fits into that category. So you can think of backup control systems on aircraft. We see applications like that for Simple in many different type of domains.
One of the advantages that we have is that we're using fabrication techniques that go along with the integrated circuit industry. It could be something that you could incorporate into existing chips anywhere where you need sort of a backup safety system. So it really makes this technology extremely inexpensive to implement.
We see very broad application of this technology across the board. That can be within different types of energy supply and different types of power plants, but it could also be in different industries altogether, well outside of energy. We are at the point where we are ready to start doing further testing, looking for different partners who want to take this technology, help us bring it to market, commercialize it, and get it used within industry. Help us identify true use cases to apply it broadly across the industry. It could potentially be a game changer. It could potentially have a huge impact on the flexibility, the efficiency of nuclear power as we move forward. And nuclear power is such a very, very important part of what our energy economy has to look like in the coming decades.